Are you tired of clunky, unappealing TV stands that just don't fit your space? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, PRLESMITH Mobile TV Stand. First up is the PRLESMITH Mobile TV Stand, priced at $64.49. What caught my eye was its sleek design and universal compatibility with TVs from 23 to 60 inches. If you want something that's both portable and sturdy, this is worth a serious look. This stand is a dream for anyone who hates being tied to one spot. With its 15-degree tilt, you can adjust the TV to reduce glare, which is perfect when the sun is streaming through your window. It holds up to 88 pounds, so you don't have to worry about it wobbling if you've got a hefty TV. Plus, the wheels make it super easy to roll from room to room, whether you're rearranging the living room or moving to a different space for movie night. Now, some users mentioned that the assembly instructions were a bit unclear. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it's pretty straightforward. So if you're someone who doesn't mind a bit of DIY, this shouldn't hold you back. This is perfect for you if you want a mobile stand that can adapt to your viewing needs. Skip this one if you're looking for something more stationary and heavy-duty. Overall, the value here is solid. Now, if the assembly issues with the PRLESMITH bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with its straightforward setup. Product number 2, PRLESMITH Rolling TV Stand. Next, we have another entry from PRLESMITH, their rolling TV stand priced at $49.01. What I love about this one is its height-adjustable tray, which makes it an ideal choice for multimedia setups. If you want a portable solution with customizable height, this is definitely worth checking out. This stand is designed for versatility. It accommodates TVs from 23 to 60 inches, holding up to 55 pounds while also featuring a shelf that adjusts from 12 to 24 inches off the ground. Perfect for your gaming console or DVD player, it keeps everything neatly organized. Plus, the built-in cable management system means no more messy cords hanging out in the open. However, some buyers found the stability lacking when extending the height. But honestly, as long as you keep the weight distributed evenly, it should work fine for most setups. This one is perfect for you if you frequently move your TV around or need to adjust its height for different activities. Skip it if you plan to use a larger TV since it has a lower weight capacity. Considering its price, you get a lot of bang for your buck here. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those of you who want something a bit more robust. Product number 3, R5 Mobile TV Stand. Coming in third is the R5 Mobile TV Stand, which also supports TVs from 23 to 60 inches and is built to hold up to 88 pounds. I found its portability and sleek design to be quite impressive for the price. This stand is a great choice for anyone who likes to switch up their viewing spots. It features a sturdy metal construction and a solid shelf for your devices. The adjustable height lets you tailor the viewing experience, which is especially helpful if you have varying seating arrangements. Plus, it's relatively easy to assemble without needing any extra tools. However, a few users pointed out that the shelf could be a bit flimsy if overloaded. Here's the thing though, if you stick to the recommended weights, you'll be just fine. This stand is still a solid option for casual use. This is perfect for you if you want something easy to move around the house without sacrificing stability. Skip it if you're planning to set it up in a more permanent location, as it might not have the aesthetic appeal for a dedicated entertainment center. Overall, it's an excellent value. Now, if you're in the market for something that offers a bit more in the way of aesthetics and features, the next one might catch your eye. Product number 4, Perligear Mobile TV Cart. Next up is the Perligear Mobile TV Cart, which is priced at $46.43. What really stood out to me was its impressive tilt feature, allowing up to 30 degrees for optimal viewing. If you need a flexible solution for various viewing angles, you should definitely consider this one. This stand supports TVs from 13 to 50 inches and can hold up to 44 pounds. The 8 different height options let you customize it to fit your space perfectly, whether you're watching from your couch or adjusting for a presentation at work. Plus, its wide base ensures stability so you won't have to worry about it tipping over during use. Some customers did mention that it felt a bit lightweight for larger TVs. But honestly, for smaller models, this stand is fantastic since it's super easy to move around and adjust. This is perfect for you if you have a smaller TV and need something that's adjustable and easy to transport. Skip this if you own a larger TV, as it may not provide the stability you need. For the price, you're getting a lot of features packed in. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more style and functionality, the final product is definitely a must-see. Product number 5, Wally Floor TV Stand. Finally, we have the Wally Floor TV Stand, priced at $89. I was really impressed by its built-in power hub, which includes USB ports and AC outlets. If you want a stylish stand that can declutter your entertainment area, this one's worth your attention. This stand is compatible with TVs from 32 to 75 inches and can hold up to 110 pounds. The height is adjustable, and it can swivel 60 degrees for perfect viewing angles, which is great for larger spaces. The integrated power hub means less fuss with tangled cords, making it visually appealing. However, a few users noted that the assembly took longer than expected. Personally, I think the setup is worth it for the added features and sturdiness. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish solution that saves space and keeps things tidy. Skip this if you're looking for something lightweight or portable, since it's designed to be more of a permanent fixture. Given its features, the investment is definitely justified. Now let's wrap this up. To quickly compare all 5 products, the PERLESMITH Mobile TV Stand is great for portability, while the PERLESMITH Rolling TV Stand offers height adjustability. The R5er Mobile TV Stand is solid for compatibility, while the Perligear Mobile TV Cart provides great tilting features. Finally, the Wally Floor TV Stand stands out with its built-in power hub and sleek design. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Wally Floor TV Stand because it combines style with functionality beautifully. I would suggest avoiding the Perligear Mobile TV Cart if you have a larger TV, since it may not provide the stability you're looking for. I've put all the links in the description below, check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.